showing guys how to fix missing stickers, filters and polls problem on Instagram. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So sometimes some filters that your friend might be using on Instagram, it might not be available to you, and there might be many reasons for it. And one of them might be that you just live in a different country and some filters are not available and some stickers are not available in all regions. So let me just open up the Instagram app real quick. If you're having problem with these missing filters, one of the things that you can do is update your app. So you go to Play Store or App Store, and here you will search for Instagram, and you update the Instagram to the most recent version. So let me just update my Instagram real quick. So please make sure Instagram is up to date. So I've already updated my Instagram. And this problem might be fixed once you just update it. Another thing that you can do is you can switch your account to a personal account if you're a creator account, and vice versa. So for that, you will go to your profile, then you click the triple horizontal bars, then you click on settings, and here you click on account, and you'll scroll down and you'll see this option, switch to professional account, or if you're already a professional account, you might consider switching to a personal account. And so with that being said, the second thing that you can do, and after you do that, this might work for some people, you can go and check whether this works for you or not. Some people also have said that if they change the language settings of Instagram, you might be able to fix this error. So for that, you'll go to your profile again, you'll go to settings, and then you'll go to account, and here the language option, you can change this language to a different one, and so this might help solve the missing filters error. So these are some of the ways, guys, and there's no guarantee if this works or not. Sometimes it works, as we know Instagram is really fickle with its features and updates, since not all of these features are universally available. So these are some ways that you might use to fix the error.